Very, very beautiful night up here in the Midwest. About 30 degrees, not too bad whatsoever. What's going on, six speeders? Very, very beautiful night. 30 degrees out here, like I just said, but sadly, I think we're expecting some snow, sadly. But I just wanted to say flat out from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. We finally reached our goal, and the best part is I just ordered some more parts / accessories for the FRS, so we'll have those videos coming to you guys soon, so and everything good like that. But some of you guys wrote me on, well, technically on Instagram, and emailed me on YouTube asking me some quick questions about dash cameras, so I thought that I would go in depth about that and everything. So the first question is, what is a dash camera? Well, you guys, it sounds exactly what it sounds like. Dash camera. It's a camera that is mounted onto your dash or windshield, and what it does is it records while you drive. Basically, it helps out with insurance. It can even lower down your insurance rates. Helps out filming while you drive. So if somebody tries to pull a hit and run, or if your car gets damaged somehow, it's there to help you out, usually in court cases or proving something to your insurance, you know, with anything that happens on the road. Because trust me, your eyes cannot always be there 100%. So it's always nice to have something back up. This is on your right, you got your awesome little dash camera. This is a Cobra, which is a very, very nice little dash camera. Same size as an awesome little GoPro. And I'll go in depth about that here in the next minute. And then on your right, you got your awesome box and what it comes in and everything good like that. Start off with everything about the box. All right, so if you guys ever heard of Cobra, which they do make awesome police radars and everything good like that, this is their little dash camera that they made. I know Escort makes one and a few other companies make dash cameras. You guys can buy these pretty much anywhere, Walmart, Best Buy, everything good like that. So right off the bat, this one can hook up to your smartphone, and it kind of acts like a police radar in a way. Basically, you have iCobra Live, and it can detect radar and everything, but you're relying on other sources and everything good like that. And it is a 1080 PSI, and it can hook up to your awesome smartphone or iPhone or whatever you guys got. So basically Bluetooth activation. So enough about the specs, let's talk about the awesome little Cobra. Like I said, same size as your awesome GoPro. And of course you got 4 buttons down here, which I'll go in depth about whenever I turn it on and everything inside my car. But right off the bat, you got your little power button up here. Don't know if the light will let me show it off, but that's what it looks like. And your emergency. This is in case, well, God forbid, but if you hit something or something hits you, this will go to automatically emergency record. And then you got your awesome choice of a suction cup, which is what I prefer. Or a little tab that goes up onto your windshield and it will stay there permanently. Basically, if you see this, it slides on. So what it does come with, well, of course it comes with the awesome little dash camera, but it comes with a power cord, instructions, which I sadly lost, and another awesome power cord to hook up to your computer to download files or anything very, very important. Usually they do that after the police crash, and then, well, which God forbid, or anything, any incident that happens, and then a little smaller power cord. So let's hop out into my car and I'll show you guys what I did and everything. What I'm doing, here's my wire. You want to tuck it in toward this way to your weather strip all the way down, and trust me, it is a not fun doing. And then basically screw your door panel onto the plastic all the way around to up here, or you all know where the hidden compartment is, right there in there, and I'll see if I can get a better. And there's where mine is hooked up underneath the secret compartment that Toyota and Subaru doesn't really ever tell you about. And then basically I connect it, and then I run it up there, which is very, very handy dandy. The best tip of advice for you guys, if you were to put it somewhere, usually put it right behind your rearview mirror, of course, or somewhere like that, because trust me, it really does make the biggest difference for the best angling of all the road. And yes, they do make dash cameras for the back window, but sometimes those go for a little bit more. These do come with them, but I kind of went the cheap route and just bought a front one. My Acura does have the back one, but that one sadly does not work because the wiring's pretty bad. And then basically put it right up there. and then it locks, problem solved. Of course, you can always fix it the way that you want to, but it's pretty simple and pretty easy, and honestly, it's one of the best modifications that you could do for your car. And the best part is, it lowers down your insurance rate. So, I mean, I'm one of those, I'll take that any day. Save me a few extra bucks. So I know that the setup process for the wiring in the interior sounds pretty intimidating. It's not as bad as it seems. I had it done within about an hour, my first time in my Acura. As for the Scion, it only took me about 20 minutes, if that. But also, I was not setting up the rear dash cam. So it's not as bad as people make it out to be. And short story short, many people do it because from that way they don't get tangled up with people in their car or anything like that. So that's the only reason why we run the wire. So this is what it looks like when it turns on. It says Drive HD. And then you got a 1080 PSI, which is awesome. You got your pause button, your camera just to take pictures, the mic on and off to turn on surrounding noises, and then that way nobody can hear what you're saying. And then over here you can turn off the screen, turn on the screen. Pretty, very, very simple setup. And then you got your battery icon, and then loop over time. Basically, to explain that, every 3 minutes it will loop over to the next memory card and everything go like that. And I do believe that these come with a 16 megabyte SD card, but you can upgrade it to like a 64 if you want to for some extra cash. Everything go like that, and then battery, Bluetooth connection, mic, of course. And on that side, that's where your awesome SD card is held. And then, like I said earlier, up here is your emergency record button. Basically, it says emergency recording, and then you just basically it's right now an emergency record. And then over here is your awesome power button just to turn it off and everything. So hands down, is the dash camera worth it? Yes. Yes, it is. It is probably one of the best things that you can do for your car and for yourself and your own safety. Because trust me, these things work. And not only that, it also lowers down your insurance rate. So hey, you gotta pay less money. I'm one of those, I'll take that any day. Because I'll tell you this, you just never know what can happen out on the road, you know? So many, let's just say this, I've seen my buddies into car accidents, and I've been in not a nice car accident before, and trust me, you guys, it's your word against theirs. And the dash camera will basically draw the fine line saying what happened, no questions asked, because it's filming all the time. So hands down, buy a dash camera if you can. Like I said, they sell them at Best Buy, Walmart, Target, Amazon. So whenever you guys can, do your little bit of research. Heck, you can even use a GoPro. That's what my teacher used for a little while. You cannot go wrong with these things. Trust me. And not only that, it's always nice to have an extra precaution to always kind of back you up. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers. It is an honor and privilege to finally reach that number. And thank you guys so much for all your guys' support. Without you guys, this channel would not be existing. So, you know, if you guys ever do have an awesome car build or anything, please shoot it my way. You guys can come follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it down in the link below, and come email me whenever you want to. It's down the link below. But it is SmithEM2000, and my email is 6speeders@2019@gmail.com. You guys are beyond amazing. You really are, and I really do appreciate all your guys' support. And just remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. I know it seems hard at first, but just keep on grinding, because trust me, it's worth it in the end. So you guys, don't forget to press that subscribe button, to smash that like, and to ring that bell, for that way you guys never miss a popular video. Also, last but not least, come follow me on Instagram, SmithEM2000, and come email me at 6speeders@2019@gmail.com. You guys have been amazing. More videos and more of the car build coming your way. Same for car reviews. You guys are amazing. Have an awesome night.